Hello again, YouTube. I am back with another vacuum weekly vacuum video. It was requested that I use my Kent, but I was also already planning to do this one. This one is way late. I meant to do it yesterday, Sunday, but didn't quite get around to it. You might hear a little air leaking because the bag has a bad seal on it. So anyway, I'm gonna get started in the day room. I mean, not the day room, the living room. Here we go. That brush roll didn't catch on that cord. Yeah, I'm glad that brush roll didn't catch on the cord. Vibra 2 equals more violent agitation, and that violent agitation can tear up the cord. And like I said, this is kind of in between a request and a video of choice. So anyway, here we go in the day room. Alright, it's only going to be a 2-room video because my roommate already vacuumed his room. You can see the tornado down there in the hallway. I've been trying my best to get a overview of that vacuum, but for some reason YouTube is not letting me upload a video longer than, hardly letting me upload a video longer than 6 minutes. So, and it takes 6 minutes to do a good complete overview on a vacuum. So anyway, tell me how you liked it, tell me what y'all would like to see, and I will see what I can do and how I can do it. Until next time, bye.